Hey YouTube, Engineer Boy 100. Today's video is going to be a really quick video on a shop stool mod, if you can believe it or not. Now, those of you who are familiar with this shop stool, this is a little Harbor Freight shop stool, and I've modified it 3 times. I've added a thicker seat, as you might see, and I've added these really big mag wheels on the bottom. But today's video is not about either one of those. Today's video is about how to change the shock when your shock stops staying when you need it. Okay, and you can buy these on eBay, on Amazon, or walk in and buy them, and you can replace your old failing strut. Now, these pneumatic struts you can change them 2 ways, and I'll show you the 2 different ways right now. Okay, so first of all, I want to just go ahead and disclose these are very difficult to get out. I had to use heat on one of these, not this one. I just hit the bottom of the hammer to get this out, but you don't always have to get this out. I'll show you what I mean. Now, these are both press fits, so I'll show you they're taper fits, so this comes off. Why did it come off so easy? Because I took it off in advance and I put some paper towel in there so I could show you real fast. Okay, so the seats come off like that, and these slide off like this. Oh man, slide out like this. There's a clip on the bottom. Here's the clip. Okay, if you turn it over like so, you will see a clip like so. If you undo this clip, the whole thing will slide out and you don't have to take this out. If you want to change the whole thing, like for me, I'm changing the height. I'm getting a little bit higher, so I have to take the whole thing off. You want to take this part off too. It just pops out. It's a press fit, okay? And you put the new one in. And that's going to stay just like that. The way you install your seat, same thing. This is a cap. You remove the cap. You take your seat. This is my modified seat, but you take your seat, you put it on, and you're good to go. Done. Maybe I'll do another video on the seat and the wheels, but this was just about the shock. And now this seat is ready to go into service. You will see a clip. Oh, suicide. I'm going to leave it in.